Joining a committee has always been a great way to make new contacts, learn about new trends in our profession, and have a voice in shaping the association's direction. Hear directly from Bay East members about the benefits of getting involved.
If you want to get involved in leadership, start small. Start with knowing what your time and your resource allocation is going to be. Maybe it's a committee, and make it one of your passions. If it's local government relations or professional standards or MLS business technology.
And that's a really great opportunity for referrals and networking down the road.
Whether supporting an event, volunteering on a committee, or serving as your president, I have found the benefits that I receive being actively involved far outweigh the time that I give.
A leader shares their knowledge to empower others. A leader should always be a positive role model. Lead by example.
Well, being in leadership, you're at the table. As opposed to hearing what happened, you are a part of what makes things happen.
If you're considering getting involved in leadership, my only recommendation is do it. You will not regret one moment. It will make you a better realtor, you'll be able to service your clients much better, and you will benefit personally.
My suggestion for anyone that wants to get involved in leadership is to find something that you're really passionate about. When you're passionate about something, it just shines through, and I think that you have a bigger impact in making a difference.
I think the greatest benefit of volunteering at Bay East is you give what you get. And so when you give your time, you get personal growth, you get professional growth, you get to meet wonderful people and professionals to work with. It's well worth your time.
Each year, more than 100 realtors and Platinum affiliates become active participants in Bay East committees. We hope you will get involved too. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us with your questions at ldc@bayeast.org.